Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Etsy templates on Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, using Etsy templates on Canva is a bit difficult because if you're purchasing a template off of Etsy that somebody made on Canva and is selling, then the way that they're selling it is through a digital file. Usually it's going to be either a link or something of the sort where they'll give you access to copy over that template and then you'll be able to edit it in your own Canva account. And the other, if they just give you a file with a done template, you will be able to use it as a background, but you won't be able to edit it within Canva once you actually upload it as a project. Now, to use those templates, as I mentioned, you just have to purchase those templates, and then whatever you get, you can then use on Canva. If it's a link, just access that link through your Canva account, and you will be able to edit it, copy it over, or make a copy for yourself to use that template further. Or again, you'll be able to just use it as a background if it's just a file. Now, if you want to have an Etsy template, which is just for Etsy, you're going to need to copy it manually over into Canva as best as you can, but that is pretty much your only option, and there really is nothing else you can do, sadly, because Etsy templates are not of the same type and not of the same format as Canva, so you won't be able to use those interchangeably, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.